In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Charles Schwab password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to create a new one for better security, I'll walk you through the process step by step and share tips to make it smooth and secure. First, open your web browser and go to the official Charles Schwab login page at https://client.schwab.com, areas, access/login. Make sure you see the secure padlock in your browser and that the web address is correct. It's best to type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark to avoid phishing pages, and use a private, secure internet connection whenever possible. On the login page, look for the link that says Forgot Your Password or Forgot Login ID or Password and click it. The wording may vary slightly, but either option will start the reset process. Next, you'll verify your identity. You may be asked for your login ID, the email address or phone number associated with your account, and your social security number or other personal details. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your account. If you have multiple emails or phone numbers, try the one you most recently used with Schwab. This step is there to protect your account, so take your time and double-check your entries. After verification, choose how you want to reset your password. You'll typically see options to receive a reset link by email, a verification code by text message, or occasionally a voice verification. Pick the method you can access right now. If you choose email, keep an eye on your inbox and spam or junk folders. If you choose text, make sure your phone has Signal and notifications enabled. Codes usually expire quickly and they're for one-time use, so use them promptly and never share them with anyone. Once you receive the link or code, follow the instructions to create your new password. Click the link or enter the code, then type your new password using a strong mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or anything easy to guess, and don't reuse an old password. Confirm the password and submit. If the page times out, return to the email or request a new code. You should see a confirmation that your password has been reset. Finally, go back to the login page, enter your login ID and your newly created password, and complete any additional verification if prompted. If you run into trouble, check that caps lock isn't on and that you're using the newest password. That's it. You're back in and secure.